Welcome to South Bay Note Seminars. Are you looking to learn more about note investing? Do you want to invest in notes but are afraid to do it alone? Or maybe you just need someone experienced to guide you. Well, if you're looking to have that small group, one-on-one, personalized training to take your note investing to the next level, then you've come to the right place. At South Bay Note Seminars, we teach you step by step how to invest in mortgage notes. Our number one goal is you. In fact, we limit each seminar to small, personalized settings to maximize your time and your learning. If we know it then, you'll know it by the end of the seminar. We even deliver inventory to you. After attending one of our all-day seminars, you'll walk away with the tools necessary to not only find where to buy notes, but also to successfully and intelligently invest in notes to help you build wealth. Here's some of what you'll learn. Our 3-step due diligence process, 10 places to find notes, how to buy notes in your IRA, which vendors we use and why, exit strategies, loan servicing, collateral review, risk mitigation, ROI versus yield, how to buy notes without using your own money, and lastly, we give you the resources, templates, and agreements you'll need to get started. So register for our next seminar before seats are taken. Remember, a key point to our seminars is that we keep the group limited so you don't get lost in the crowd.